Now, all of this comes as the state added more than 1,200 new COVID-19 cases in the last day, bringing the overall total to more than 296,000 tonight. 889 people are in the hospital. That is down 24 and the lowest hospitalization rate since mid-November. And 27 more people have died in the last day, bringing that number to 4,895. Now take a look at the positivity rate in the state. It tells us how many COVID-19 tests are coming back positive. Today, you can see there it stands at 15%. That's down from 25% at its high in mid-January. Now for the rest of today's numbers and trends, you can find them on the homepage at 5newsonline.com.